And we all have these things from childhood that we're either avoiding, some people call it trauma or root experiences, but either way, if you're a human on this planet, you have things that you've experienced that I guarantee are impacting the growth of your business. And it can go much deeper than we think.
Yeah. Okay. It was a bomb.
Mic
What
drop.
you don't repair, it repeats. I mean, if you really want to be successful in business, it's not marketing. It's not making people happy. It's not any of that stuff, or customer comes first. It's really you come first. But if you keep seeing cycles in business, it's typically a personal problem that
Right.
just keeps repeating itself.